Did you know, the strongest job market collapse in US history may have already begun, and almost nobody is talking about it? Tens of thousands of layoffs, entire industries disappearing overnight, states once booming with opportunity now sliding toward economic free fall. And here's the terrifying part. Economists warn that 2025 may be the beginning, not the end, of the crisis. So stay with me until the end, because the number one collapsing state will shock you. This is not just a job crisis. This is a way of life collapse. Let's begin. Number 10. Washington. Tech layoffs restart. For years, Washington was the land of endless tech jobs. But 2025 shattered that illusion. New waves of layoffs at major companies hit the state again, especially in cloud computing, AI engineering, and retail tech divisions. The state reports hiring freezes since January, a 22% slowdown in tech job postings, rent prices still high, pushing workers out. Seattle's once busy job market now filled with overqualified workers fighting for basic roles. Number 9. Illinois. The manufacturing retreat. Illinois is experiencing its worst manufacturing downturn in 20 years. Companies are quietly closing plants or automating them, pushing thousands out of stable, long-term jobs. 2025 updates show Midwest factory output down 14%, logistics jobs shrinking fast, major warehouse hubs slowing operations. Chicago's unemployment rate is climbing, and residents say it feels like a silent recession. Number 8. Nevada. Tourism crash meets job collapse. Las Vegas is still struggling from the tourism slowdown that began in 2024. Now, hospitality layoffs are back. In early 2025, casino staffing cuts, hotel room prices dropping, tourist spending down 11%. When fewer tourists come, thousands lose work. Nevada's economy is too dependent on one industry, and that industry is shaking. Number 7. Pennsylvania. Energy and small-town crisis. Pennsylvania's energy sector has been hit with new regulations, slowdowns, and plant closures. Add that to the collapse of small-town retail, and the job market is crumbling. Recent 2025 reports show coal jobs down again, natural gas hiring paused, township stores emptying out. The state is bleeding workers, especially young people. Number 6. New York. The office collapsed. New York's biggest problem? Offices are still half empty. Remote work killed thousands of downtown jobs, janitors, food workers, transport staff, and even corporate assistants. 2025 updates show the worst vacancy rate ever recorded. And with tax revenue shrinking, city budgets are getting cut, which means even more layoffs. Number 5. Oregon. Retail meltdown. Oregon is seeing mass closures of store chains, malls, and local shops. In 2025, retail job postings dropped 28%, logistics slowed, consumer spending weak, even Portland's once vibrant job market is fading. People are leaving the state at record numbers. Number 4. Michigan. Auto jobs vanishing faster than expected. Michigan is entering another auto industry downturn. Electric vehicle delays, supply chain issues, and factory automation are wiping out jobs. 2025 updates reveal auto layoffs trending upward. EV production slowed, several factories reducing shifts. Detroit is once again feeling the pressure of economic instability. Number 3. Texas. The energy shock. Texas was booming, but 2025 revealed its weaknesses. Oil companies cut staff after global price fluctuations. Tech companies in Austin froze hiring. Construction projects slowed across major cities. Texas is not collapsing, but cracks are forming faster than expected. Number 2. Florida. The housing market broke the job market. Florida, The housing market broke the job market. Florida's job market is collapsing for a unique reason. Housing has become too expensive. When workers can't afford to live, businesses can't find employees. In 2025, restaurants closed due to staff shortages. Tourism revenue dropped. Insurance crisis drove families out. A job market cannot survive when workers leave the state entirely. Number 1. California. The epicenter of the collapse. California is now the state with the strongest signs of a job market crisis. 2025 updates show tech layoffs returned. Film industry slowdown. AI replacing thousands of workers. Housing still unaffordable. Hundreds of companies relocating out of the state. Even Silicon Valley, the symbol of American innovation, is shrinking. California's economic engine is losing fuel, and the consequences will hit the entire nation. If you want the truth behind America's changing economy, if you want updates that mainstream media refuses to cover, subscribe now and turn on notifications. Because this story is just beginning, and what happens next affects every American.